I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Groundhogg. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get the public key and token few steps. First, go to the Groundhogg setting. Then click on API. Select a user. Click on Generate New API Key. Copy the public key and token. And paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Contact. Now do the field mapping. Also, you can add meta field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Groundhogg. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now navigate to the Groundhogg. Then Contacts. Here is the data that came into Groundhogg through the integration. Thanks for watching.